In the time it takes to play a collegiate football game, 278 fires are reported in the United States. Sadly, children and the elderly are usually the ones that are injured or killed in these fires. Join me in supporting statewide efforts to install smoke detectors. Take time out and install smoke detectors in your home or in the home of a friend or neighbor. When a life is saved, we all win. Take time out and install a smoke detector in your home or the home of a friend or neighbor. One of these smoke detectors could save the life of a future Hawkeye. When a life is saved, we all win.